Let us see how to draw a network diagram for the given constraints. The problem is a project consists of a series of tasks labeled A, B, C, D and so on up to H and I with the following relationships. W less than X and Y means X and Y cannot start until W is completed. With this notation, construct the network diagram for the following constraints. A less than D and E, B and D less than F, C less than G, B and G less than H, F and G less than I. Now let us write the constraints in our convenient form. The activities are A, B, C, D and so on up to H and I. Now let us write the predecessors. There is no predecessors for the activities A, B and C. And A is the predecessor for D and E. B and D are the predecessors of F. C is the predecessor of G. B and G are the predecessors of H. F and G are the predecessors of the activity I. So A, B and C are the starting activities. So we have drawn the activities A, B, C from the first node, and D and E have to start after A. So we have drawn the activities D and E from the second node. Here B and D are the predecessors of F. So we have connected the node 2 and 3 by the activity D. Now B and D are ended at the node 3. Okay. Now let us draw the activity F from the third node. So next C. C is the predecessor of G. So we are drawing the activity G from the fourth node. Okay, 4 to 5 is the activity G. Next, B and G are the predecessors of H, but here there is no arrow or no activity between B and G. So we are connecting the nodes B and G, that is the activities B and G, by using the dummy activity from the third node to the fifth node. Okay, so we are connecting B and G by using the dummy activity. And next we can draw the activity H from the fifth node. And next we have to draw the activity I. The predecessors are F and G. So we have to connect the activities F and G by using the dummy activity from the fifth node to sixth node. Okay. Now let us draw the activity I from the sixth node. And E, I and H are not the predecessors of any activity. So we are connecting all the three E, I and H to the last node 7.